Hello, I'm Zhongtuo Machinery Daniel. Today we introduce our Zhongtuo high-speed floor decking production line. Our course through the hydraulic decoiler opening and through the feeding device into the main roll forming machine. This high-speed production line equipped with Siemens PLC control system and machine producing speed can reach 25 meters per minute. This wall production line has been fully automatically, and just need one worker can operate the wall production line. In this part is our carding system, and finish production through the convening table and reach the automatically decoder. The convening table is used to reduce the speed of the finished production. Our automatic scaler can fully automatically take the finished production, can save labor and improve the working efficiency. Okay, this is Daniel. If you have any idea or question, please contact me freely and anytime. I'm waiting you forever.